Hey art friends, today we're going to draw the Pout-Pout Fish. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. This is such a fun book and I love the Pout-Pout Fish. We're going to use our pencil and eraser to first draw the main shape of our fish. Then we're going to switch to markers to draw and color with, but you can also use whatever you have. You can use a pencil for the entire drawing or something completely different like colored pencils or even crayons. All right, let's get started. Let's first use our pencil and we're gonna draw the shape of our Pout-Pout fish's body. Or the head also. I'm gonna draw it kind of low on the paper so that we have room for the tail sticking up. We're gonna draw a rainbow line. We're gonna come up in the middle, over, and down. And we're gonna try to make our Pout-Pout fish just laying on the ground. So the top part is big and curved, but the bottom is kind of flat. So we're gonna curve from the left and come straight, well, not completely straight across. There's a little curve, but look how it just looks like a blob sitting on the ground or a rock. Yeah, he's pouting. He's very dreary. And that's all we're using our pencil for, just this guide shape. And if you want, you can keep using a pencil, but I'm gonna switch to my marker. And you can also spend extra time getting the shape just the way you want it. So you pause the video, work on it, and then when you get it just right, you can press play again and then switch to your marker. Now let's draw all of the details and really turn this into the Pout-Pout fish. We're gonna draw the eyes just barely sticking out of the shape. So we're gonna draw ovals, and we'll draw one oval right here, just barely sticking out. And then we're gonna leave some space, and then we're gonna draw the other oval. Then we can draw the eyelids, and they're kind of half closed, so it looks a little sleepy or droopy. We're gonna draw the top and the bottom eyelid, and the same on the other side. Then we can draw the pupil, and we're gonna draw it small, but color it in on both eyes. And then we gotta draw the frowny face. We're gonna draw it curving up, just like the top of the body, and then back down. And then we can also add the bottom lip. It sticks out more. So we're gonna start here. We'll curve around. We'll match that same frown and then curve back in over here. And we can also, let's go over this just a little more in the center so that the mouth is slightly open. Oh, and we could add an extra curve for the top lip. Okay, now let's trace over the pencil line. But we don't want to draw through the eyes or the bottom lip. So I'm going to draw the side. We'll trace over the pencil here too. And then we can trace over the middle and the chin. Yeah. Now we're ready to add the fins. Let's draw them curving and laying on the ground. So we can draw both sides curving out and touching the ground, if you imagined it on the bottom of his body. Then we can draw it curving back in and into the body. In and up. There we go. Now we can draw his hair. Kind of looks like hair. It might be more fins. But we're going to draw curving up and to the left. Then we can curve it back into the body. Then we're going to draw another curve up to the right, but smaller. Then a short zigzag back in and out. And then we can draw it curving into the body. Now we just need to draw his tail fin sticking up into the air. We're going to start over here. We're going to draw that kind of like the same shape that we drew for the top of his head. We're going to draw maybe a bit taller or more curved. So we're going to start kind of close to the eye, and we're going to draw it curving up in the middle and down on the right. Looks like a rainbow line. Then we can draw the outside or the top shape of the fin. We're going to start right in the middle, come up just a bit, and add a guide point. Then we can curve out of this point up, and then down to the point on the left side. And then we'll repeat that same curve on the right to match. Yeah, there's his tail fin. Now we got to draw his tail connecting to it, and we're going to come straight up from the eye. We'll go behind this little hair or fin, almost like we're going straight up, but then right at the end, we're gonna curve slightly out to the left. And then we can do the same thing on this side. Straight up and then slightly to the right at the end. We did it! We finished drawing the Pout-Pout fish. Except we still need to color it. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video and match my same coloring. Oh, one last thing. Let's switch to our eraser and erase any of the guidelines you can still see. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring the Pout-Pout fish. Turned out awesome, all colored in, and I hope you'll take time to color your drawings and even add a background. You could also draw a lot more fish too. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye!